Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take out SD card from Insta360 One RS. So in order to do this, we'll need to take a look on the right side of our camera from the screen. So it's right here. You'll be able to see this opening. Now click on this button by forcing it downwards like this, and it should open. Now we can force it a bit stronger like this, and we have access to our SD card right here. So we'll need to click on it with our nail like this, so it comes out, and now we can simply push it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.